Hello children, so we are into part 12 of our video lessons on fractions. So currently we are on exercise 4F. First video you have seen where BODMAS rule I have explained to you with simple examples. I think I did up to question number 8, 7 or 8 like that I have done in my previous part 1 of the video on BODMAS rule. So here I will be doing 4, 5 bigger difficult sums on BODMAS rule. So this may be a little difficult for you, but if you practice 2-3 times it will become easier. So here we go to the second and last part of exercise 4F. So here we have first sum, which question number 9 I am doing. First step, children, you convert improper fraction, mixed fraction to improper fraction. So see how we have done. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7 by 6. So first in BODMAS rule, you know, BOD bracket off is not there, we do division. So division, children, when it becomes multiplication, denominator goes up, numerator comes down. So first of all we don't do addition, multiplication. First of all we do division. So you see 7 2s are 14, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. So we are left with here 2 2s are 4 by 5 plus 7 by 10 into 3 by 4. Now you see this, if you take LCM of 5 by 10 is 10. 5 will go 2 times, so 4 will be multiplied with 2. 10 will go 1 times, so 1 into 7 is 7 into 3 by 4. So finally what do we get? 8 plus 7, 15 by 10 into 3 by 4. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So finally we get 3 3s are 9 by 4 2s are 8, 1 1 by 8 if you convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, so next we move on to question 11. So 11, if you see, children, just copy this part, pause the video, take screenshot, playback, copy it, then I move on to question number 11. So here what we have, first we don't do anything, we will do division. So you need to copy quite a lot. So when division becomes multiplication, we get, so this part you copy, okay, because I need to rub this part so that I have more space for the other questions. So this part what you have written, you write, I wrote here and I cancel. So here let it be same, okay, division. So I have done division into multiplication, so nothing cancels here, 3 goes up, 3 goes up and 1 comes down, so this becomes 3 by 4. So here what we do, we solve, first we should do addition, then subtraction. So we do addition, if you do LCM is 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 will go 2 times, so 2 1s are 2, 4 will go 1 time, so 3 will be multiplied with 1. So now since I have done addition, here also you can start. 9 4s are 36, 4 will go 9 times, like that crisscross it goes, and 9 goes 4 times, divided by, this is 5 by 4. So here you get 5 by 36 into 4 goes up, 5 comes down, so 8 9s are 36. So 4 and 36 cancels and you get 1 by 9. So once more we see how, see, I did first division, then I did addition, then I did subtraction over here because they are in bracket. Remember, I did division inside bracket. Okay, then I did addition, subtraction. So division, you will say I should have done earlier, but first is bracket, children, BOD. So bracket I have solved, then division I did, so that you get correct answer. You cannot do division here before doing solving the thing inside the bracket. So here I have solved, here I have solved. Finally, when division becomes multiplication, denominator goes up, numerator comes down, we cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 1 ones are 1, 1 nines are 9. So I have done 2 sums for you. Please pause the video, take screenshot and copy in your fair copy. Then we move on to next few questions. Next we move on to question number 12. So see here, very first step what I'll do, children, I'll convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 8 threes are 24 plus 7, 31 by 8. 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. 5 twos are 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Remember, this is division, not minus. 10 ones are 10 plus 7, 17 by 10. See small bracket, braces middle bracket. Now first of all, I will solve the small bracket. So small bracket, what happens? LCM is 10, 5 and 10 is 10. 5 goes 2 times, 10 goes 1 time. So we get this is divided by 14, 2s are 28 minus 17, 11 by 10. So small bracket goes. Here I do division, becomes multiplication, this goes up and 11 comes down. And if you see, this cancels, this is 4 by 5. Once more, 11, 11 cancels, 5 2s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. 31 by 8 minus 5 by 4, if you take LCM, it will be 8. 8 will go 1 time and 4 will go 2 times. So what we get is 21 by 8. So if you see, so this, if you convert to mixed fraction, 8 2s are 16, 5 by 8. So your answer is 2, 5 by 8. So once more, first we do the small bracket, we take LCM, then we do division, take reciprocal, cancel, then we do subtraction. Because for small bracket, middle bracket, then finally we come to subtraction, and improper fraction we convert to proper fraction. So kindly pause the video and do question number 12. Then I am going to do question number 13 for you. So if you see question 13, there are a lot of 3 3 3s, so don't get confused with this. So let us see this 3. Just you have to copy quite a lot, quite a number of time. 3. Now we first solve the small bracket. LCM will be 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 1. 4 and 1 LCM is 4. 1 will go 4 times. 4 3s are 12. 4 will go 1 time. So this is division, children. Later on I see sometime children forget division, they write minus and whole thing goes wrong. So this becomes 11 by 4. You see I have finished my small bracket. Next is I will work on the middle bracket. So LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. 1 will go 4 times. So here we have the big bracket. 12 minus 11 is 1 by 4. So here we have 3 divided by 3 by 4. Big bracket goes. When division becomes multiplication, 4 goes up, 3 comes down. So I get 4. Once more, first we solve small bracket. 4 and 1 LCM is 4. 1 4s are 4. 3 will be multiplied by 4. 4 1s are 4. 1 will be multiplied with 1. So next here, if you wish, you can write divided by 1. So 3 minus 11 by 4. So 4 is LCM. 4 3s are 12 minus 11, 1 by 4. You multiply, middle bracket goes. Then finally we do division. Now I copy this. Then I move to the last question, that is question number 14 of your exercise, which is little bit lengthy as compared to other sums. So now we move on to the last question. So before I start, I know children, this is quite difficult for you in class 6, I know. But please practice, do the solved example, do unsolved. That's why I'm doing most of the sum for you. It takes time, but you need to do, because maths is like this. You have to do, and only way is to practice, practice and practice till you understand and you gain confidence. So you need to do a number of times. So I'm doing this sum little slowly because this is one of the hardest and the last sum of exercise 4F, and this is the last sum for my second video on exercise 4F. Let us see. First step, as I taught you, we convert all the mixed fraction into improper fraction, because any operation you do, it is by improper fraction. So this two I'll convert, but here simultaneously together I'll start this small bracket. So here we go. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, divided by is divided by middle bracket, you write 3 by 4 minus half. Now you see in small bracket, so write the middle bracket nicely. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 10 goes 1 time, so 1 into 7, and 5 goes 2 times, so 2 into 3. So you see, first I have started with the bracket, small bracket, middle bracket, then we go to the big bracket, square bracket. So lot of repetition is there, children, because you can do one step at a time. So this half, see, small bracket will vanish, will finish. 7 minus 6 is 1 and denominator is 10. So you see, in this two step I have done away with the small bracket. Now we are working on the in this step only I can work 4, and this is 20. So LCM of 4 and 20 is 20. 4 will go 5 times. Okay children, and 20 will go 1 times. So once more, this becomes 1 by 20. Okay, so one step, 4 and 20 LCM is 20. 4 will go 5 times. So 5 3s are 15 you will get, and 20 will go 1 time. So now next step, I am going to eliminate the middle bracket. 15 minus 1, 14 by 20. So here I have done away with the middle bracket also. 16 by 3 minus. So when division becomes multiplication, children, what do you see? This goes up, numerator goes down and denominator goes up. 7 2s are 14, 10. So finally we get 16 by 3 minus 10 by 3. So here I have got 10 by 3 left. So 16 by 3 minus 10 by 3, LCM is 3. When it's a like fraction, denominator is same, your numerator you subtract, we get 6 by 3, which is 2. So finally when you solve this big question, you get answer as 2. So kindly pause the video or take screenshot and go back, rewind and do. And as I told you before, children, please practice. These are, I know you are in class 6, are difficult, but some chapters are easy, some are difficult, and this is a very important chapter, BODMAS. Okay, again in class 7 you will have this, maybe application of this in class 8, 9, 10. So please practice all the sum what I have done, and few only I have not done, do them, do the solved example, and best of luck. Thank you boys for watching this video lesson.